Your fuel facilities are aging. Industry experts are retiring. Fuel professionals are being asked to do more. Yet, your budgets are tightening. Your work in fuel moves our world. It drives economies. Your decisions are critical. Get the transparency you need. Make informed decisions about your assets, your people, and your operations. Do it all with the power of data. Digital capabilities enable your workforce to get better results and proactively reduce risk. SAIM harnesses the power of IoT for a real-time look at your system's performance. It's a centralized hub built with your data and documents. The insights provided by SAIM make it a critical collaboration tool for benchmarking, training, and compliance. Reduce liability, improve efficiency, and achieve peace of mind with SAIM's maintenance, monitoring, and as-built capabilities. Risk is real. Cost challenges are real. But SAIM gives you the secure and easy-to-use tools you need to get the pulse of your facilities within minutes. That means allocating resources where they are needed most and making the informed decisions that are essential to the business of fuel.